Okay, guys, we start our manual part. So please, uh, is my screen is visible? Hello, I'm audible, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
So in today's session, we are learning or we will learn about the waterfall model. So this is the process for the software development. This is one of the process. So most of the companies are using the waterfall model, but in waterfall model there are some drawbacks are there. So what are the drawbacks and which are the phases which are involved in the waterfall model? So let's we'll discuss. So waterfall model, this is the one process most of the companies are followed to develop the software. Okay, so waterfall model, it is the process to develop the software. Okay, so which are the stages involved in the waterfall model? So that's also we can learn one by one. So waterfall, before that, the waterfall model is known as the step by step implementation of the SDLC. So waterfall model is also known as, it is the step by step implementation of SDLC. What is mean by SDLC? Software development.
Software development life cycle, sir.
Yes. Okay. So what is the mean by step by step? So we will learn here what happened in waterfall model. So which is the first step in SDLC? Which is the first step in SDLC, software development life cycle? Guys,
Can you repeat the question?
Information gathering.
first step in SDLC.
Information gathering.
HDS, sir.
Yeah,
Information gathering, sir.
gathering. So information gathering. This is the first step also in waterfall model. So after that, the next step, which is the next step?
Analyze.
Analysis, sir.
Analysis.
Then after analysis,
Design.
Design side.
design is there. After design,
Coding, sir.
Development.
develop,
Coding.
or we can say coding.
Coding, sir.
Then after coding,
Testing.
Testing side.
Testing.
Testing.
Testing. After that, maintenance, sir.
Maintenance.
Maintenance. Yes, sir.
so this is the waterfall model. Diagram is waterfall model. Okay, so what happened in waterfall model
Excuse
here?
me, sir.
Yes,
So, what are the drawbacks of fish model?
yes, fish model. Which model?
Yeah, sir. Fish model. What are the drawbacks of fish model?
Fish model also having the same drawback as like waterfall model, because in a fish model also we cannot go back to the previous stage
Okay, okay,
once
okay,
the
sir.
yes. So in information gathering stage, the BA will you all know what happens in information gathering stage. So business analyst will gather all the information and create one document. That document is nothing but the BRS, right? Business requirement specification. And in analysis phase, from the BRS document, the BRS document get converted into SRS. And in design also, the designer will design the all the UI regarding software or all that thing. High level design and low level design will happen in design phase. And in coding phase, the developer will write the code for the software. And in testing, the tester or QA team will doing the and all the things, right? And in after that, after develop the software, there is a maintenance part also there. There is a KPO and BPO also there in a uh, maintenance, right? So so this process is happen sequentially, right? This is the sequential process because after information gathering there is an analysis stage, right? After analysis there is a design stage. After designing there is a coding happen, and after coding there is a testing happen, and after testing there is a maintenance stage, right? So this is the sequentially, right? So waterfall model, it it is also called as sequential model. In other word, it is also called as a sequential model as well, right? Because all the steps are happen in sequentially order. Because first step is information gathering, it will happen first. After information gathering there is analysis phase, then design phase, then coding will happen. After coding there is testing happen, then maintenance will happen, right? So that's why the waterfall model is also called as the sequential model as well, right? But so the company, when we go the waterfall with waterfall model company, how to decide company to choose the waterfall model? So when the project is very very low, complexity of that project is very low. So I am writing here, when we go with waterfall. So suppose if the project complexity is very low. For example, suppose you everyone knows, I don't know. There is a in railway app is there. Where is my train? There is one app. Where is my train is there app. So by using this app, we can locate our train where it is. Right? Anyone knows this app? Where is my train?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
For developing this type of app, we need any other efforts or any complex thing to develop this type of app. What it contains in where is my train app? There is a uh, one column is there to search the train number or train, where is the train from or to find trains is there, and also the PNR status is there in where is train map. So this is the very complex project. Is there any complexities in there this app? Hello guys.
No, it is, I think, low complexity map.
It is very simple app, right? Very simple app. This is very simple app.
Yes.
Anyone can develop like this app. Okay. So for that purpose, so we have to follow any sprint wise delivery is there or any agile model is there. This is waste of time because this is very simple project or simple app. No need to do any sprint and all this planning, right? So like that project we need, or we go with the waterfall model. Hope this is clear, guys, because here the requirement is clear. What we need here in the requirement, we need the all the train name or number of that train, right? And we need two boxes there, that from where train is going and to where train is going, that two boxes are there, right? And one also there is one box is there, PNR status. So there is nothing complex in that project, right? So for that, like that project, like that app, we go with our waterfall model because the requirement is clear in that, requirement is clear and project is simple, not complex. So we choose waterfall model in that case, right? Or we can say in small project we go with the waterfall model. Okay, right? So next is, so what is the drawbacks of the waterfall model then? So what are the drawbacks?
If it is a complex project, then it is not useful, and if the requirements are not clear,
Yes.
then it is not suitable.
So main drawback of waterfall model is, it is the main drawback. So we cannot return back to the previous stage once it get completed. Suppose suppose we are here in second stage, suppose analysis design stage, suppose third stage we are here, and this stage got completed, analysis stage. Because in analysis stage what happened, the BA will convert the BRA document into the SRA document, because it will, here BA will gather the information from client and it will create one document, that is SRS, and on the basis of SRS document the developer as well as tester will do the remaining work, right, as per the requirement of the customer. Suppose the analysis phase got completed and we are working in the design phase here. So the client want to add some requirement after the analysis phase. So is this possible in the waterfall model?
No,
Because it is a sequential model. After getting completed one phase, we can go back towards the previous stage, right? So this is the main drawback of the waterfall model. So that's why what we are saying here, we are using this type of model when we are using this, when the requirement is clear, when requirement is not continuously get changes, requirement is already clear, then and only then we are using the waterfall model, right? So this is the main drawback of waterfall model here. So drawback of waterfall model is first drawback of waterfall model, we can say we cannot return back to the previous stage once it get completed, right? So I am writing here, we cannot return back to previous stage once it get completed. This is the first drawback of waterfall model, and this is the major drawback of waterfall model, right? And second one is customer cannot request for change. So customer cannot request for change. This is the second, customer cannot request for change, right? Suppose I am taking the same.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Customer can change for a request, but it's like difficult for the team to go back. But
Yeah,
we can't
yeah.
say like this, like customer can't approach for the request.
No, no, customer can change,
Like I mean,
but
change request.
yes, yes, customer can change, but that's the drawback now, because already team are working. Suppose here testing.
Yeah, the drawback is like we can't go back. Actually, we have a lots of documentation. If we like, if the customer want any change request,
Yeah,
if we get any change request, so we need to go back. This is the drawback,
yes,
right?
yes. This is the drawback.
Yes, yes, we can go back, but it can't by waterfall model, right?
Ah, yes. So you can change that way also. So how? What is the duration of waterfall model, Govika? Is there any duration for waterfall model?
Yeah, actually there is no any specific duration. Actually, it's depend upon the project, how long the project is.
Okay, okay. Okay, and it is generally used in a small scale company, right? I'm right. And we can say product based company.
No, like we can't say like this because one of I have one interview with the Comcast, and they are using the waterfall methodology
Okay,
in their it is very big company in USA.
yeah.
So they are using the waterfall methodology, and they are gonna hire me as a business analyst in that position.
Okay, okay.
But
Okay, but generally the product based company are using the waterfall model,
yeah,
right? So we can say like product based company. So what is the product based company? Because like
Sir,
yes.
sir, sir, actually, can't understand what you write, sir. If you don't mind, can you write proper?
Okay, okay. I will write properly. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sorry.
Now it's clear.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, suppose is there any bug is found in the waterfall model. So, how that bug we can fix? Lovika, is there any idea regarding this? If suppose testing,
Yes, yeah. So once the bug is occur in our any of the project, so first it's gone through a lots of testing like SIT or UAT, but still after that we deliver our project to the customer,
hmm,
and if they find any bug or they want any change, so that we call like change request. So we need to do like lots of documentation. So as a business analyst, so we have like we need to write everything
but
like BR,
we can't
BRS.
cannot fix it that bug in current stage, na current sprint. We have to
No,
next.
yeah, this is the drawback of the,
Yeah.
yeah, this is the only drawback. Yeah, this is the drawback.
Okay.
So that's why that's why the companies are not using waterfall these days, because it is not like frequently we can't like deliver in chunks.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And
Okay, so I will write here. Suppose the tester will fix the bug in waterfall model. So tester cannot fix that bug in the current version or current release. Tester have to wait for the next version of that application or next release of that application. This is the biggest drawback or other drawback we can say in the waterfall model. So I am writing here. Suppose how tester will fix bug in waterfall model. So how we can tester we can fix the bug in waterfall model. So in waterfall model, if the tester found any bug, then he will create bug ticket and that bug will get resolved in next release, right? So or next version of the that application, right? So this is we can fix the bug in waterfall model. So I am writing here in waterfall model. If tester found any bug, then we will create bug ticket and that bug will get resolved in next release, or we can say next version of that application, right? So this is the also other drawback of the waterfall model. Okay, so this is the waterfall model.
Sardi, I have one doubt.
Yes,
In the waterfall model, how many release? It is single release or multiple releases are there?
it is a single release, one time release will be happen in waterfall model.
Yes, if
There
it
is
is released
no.
at this time, but you mentioned that for the next release, the bug is going to fix.
Yes, next release means
So I have.
next version of that application. If we will upgrade the version, like you know na upgradation of the application happens.
Yes, yes.
So next upgrade will happen, then we have to fix that bug, or we will fix that bug in next
Okay.
okay. So this is called as the next release of that application. We upgrading the version means we are releasing the next version of that application. So that will happen in the next release, right? So what are the advantages of waterfall model? We can say, is there any advantages of waterfall model as well?
Yes, it is easy to access. It is used for the small projects.
Yes.
And we it's a top to down approach, so we need to do like we need finish first step, then we go second.
Means
This is also the advantage. We need not to
I
go back
yes.
again and again.
No need to.
No need to go back once we finish the first phase.
Then second one, tell me. I can write here. Yes, Loika, tell me.
Yeah, you are asking from me. Okay. So yeah, there are like lots of advantages. Like it's what you write. Like no need to go back, and once we finish, and it's top to down approach.
You work now, that's why you know very well, because we are not working in
Act-
at waterfall model, so I don't know regard.
Actually, I am not working right now, but previously I
But
worked as
have
a
knowledge
business
now already.
analyst. Yeah, yeah, I have like little knowledge,
Yes, tell me third
not much.
waterfall.
And it is reliable project also. I have like some I have some notes if you want, so I can share with you in the group. I think it's helpful for everyone.
You can
I
share
have like waterfall and agile notes also.
agile also you have.
If you want, if you guys want, then I will send.
Okay, don't send in the group.
But it is specially and it is specially for like business analysts only, because I made some when I was like preparing for my interview. So uh, and you can also write this point: the waterfall is linear and sequential approach,
Yes,
and we are working on group silos. You didn't mention this thing, like we are working in groups. In waterfall, we have like teams and we are working in groups.
we are working. No, but in every model we have a group now, so not necessary in waterfall. We also in agile also we have a team.
In Agile, we have a team, but in waterfall, we are working in group silos
Okay.
because it's a linear and sequential approach. So this is the difference. One of the interviewer asked me this question: what is the difference between agile and waterfall? So when we write as a difference, so agile is like incremental approach as compared to waterfall, and the waterfall is more linear and sequential,
Hmm.
because where we all working in group silos. So and other difference you can write here. You want me difference or you just want advantages?
Advantages. Difference, then
Okay.
while going to learn agile, then we will see the difference between waterfall and all that. Right now, tell me the one more advantages of waterfall.
Uh, I think I can't. Like actually, I can't remember, and
All
nothing is
of the
come in my
project
mind.
is clear in the waterfall, right?
Yeah.
Lovika,
Yes.
If you can share that notes that you just mentioned to me,
Sure.
maybe with the sir, so that we can have like reference to study.
Sure, but it's like it's properly for the business analyst only. It's
Uh-huh.
not for like others. So just wanna make sure. So like it's not for a tester, but you guys got like some information from them for sure.
Yeah, actually, that's fine, Lovika. So we will get a whole idea or knowledge about the different methodology
Sure,
too.
I
Yeah.
will share with sir and sir will share in the Sarthi group.
Yeah,
I don't
share
have
with
any
me.
problem, no problem.
I will share
Thank you.
in the group.
Sure.
Guys, so this is the waterfall model. So more than me, the Lovika knows very well what is the waterfall model because she works by using waterfall model. So today we will stop here, and in tomorrow's lecture, in automation we learn uh, next part of the methods or function, and in manual we'll learn different model as well. So till now we will stop here. So thank you very much, guys. So we will meet tomorrow again in the same time.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sir, in automation, is